Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now. Trim excess fat and any silver skin so smoke penetrates evenly. Once trimmed, dissolve 1/4 cup salt per 1 L water and submerge tails for 4-6 hours. This seasons and firms tissue for better smoke absorption. After brining, rinse briefly and dry in the fridge for about 1 hour so a tacky pellicle forms. Then apply about 1 tablespoon of your rub per tail, pressing it in. This creates the flavor crust that holds smoke and moisture. You set the smoker to 225 degrees for steady, gentle cooking that renders fat without drying meat. Once at temp, add fruitwood or hickory chunks for 60-90 minutes of blooming smoke. Those woods give sweet, savory notes. Place tails on the grate with 1-2 spacing so air circulates, and use indirect heat to avoid flare-ups. Monitor an internal probe. Aim for 165 degrees to 175 degrees depending on texture preference. If one side browns faster, rotate every 30-45 minutes to ensure even color and render. You finish by removing tails at 165 degrees 175 degrees and resting them 10-15 minutes so juices redistribute and temperature rises a few degrees. Once done, glaze in the final 10 minutes if you want shine. Mix 2 tablespoons honey with 1 tablespoon cider vinegar and brush on. This balances smoke with sweetness. If tails seem dry, make a quick rescue. Wrap in foil with about 1/4 cup warm broth and steam for 10.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.